Increasing reward redemption. We all love a free gift or experience. Once we earn one, we think about the brand more fondly, return often, and tell others about the experience. This is why increasing reward redemption is the bedrock for creating loyal customers. The more a customer redeems rewards from your loyalty program, the more they'll return to make future purchases. In fact, redeeming loyalty program members have a 164% higher annual spend than regular customers. Here are some ways to increase reward redemption. Reward reminder emails. 57% of loyalty program members don't know their points balance, but 38% are unaware of their points value. If they're unaware of the points they have in their account, imagine how oblivious they could be to the rewards they've earned. Reward reminder emails are a pivotal way to increase reward redemption, as the personalized message